Good morning. This is Adam with Rubbish Outlaw, getting ready to head out to a job today. It was a shed demo in North Canton, I believe. Today is February 6, 2025. We had a lot of ice last night, so it's very icy today. So we'll see how it is when we get to the job site. Anyway, we'll get you to the job site and we'll take a look at that there. We're doing a shed demo and removal. Hopefully it only takes us 3 to 4 hours. It's not real cold today. It's in the 30, probably be, I think it's a high of 38 today or something like that. But we had a real bad ice storm last night. In my drive, I have a slight hill I live on, and the hill is just total ice. And I went out this morning to prove to my fiance that it was safe for the kids to go to school. And I slipped on the first step and slid on and landed on my ass. So that's how good of a job I did at proving how safe it was. Anyway, we got the driveway salted and the kids off to school. So 2 of the 4 kids had school today. The other 2 did not. Their schools were called off. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, we're headed to the job site and we'll be there shortly. All right, we're at the job site. This is the shed I'm tearing down today. Got a buddy out here. Got to tear this shed down. Shed down. And these pallets. Well, get to work. We got some scrap metal here. We're gonna get, as soon as he dumps that off, he's gonna come back out. We're gonna throw the scrap metal in the dumpster. That was where the shed was at. Here's all the scrap metal we got left, and that big scrap piece over there. So there it is, Rubbish Outlaw.